All right, let me get it.
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
One time, one time, one time, one time, one time, one time.
All right, y'all. We out here today. It's early. We out here. It's 4 a.m. No, just kidding. It's almost noon.
How bright it is outside.
We're gonna do some more athletic performance stuff today. We got the bands. We got a 20-pound weighted ball. You'll see what we do today here a little bit. How you feeling?
I'm feeling ready, you know. Should have probably had 2 coffees instead of 1, but you know, I also had coffee.
All right, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna hit a warm up, and hopefully it doesn't rain on us.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Yeah, super fun workout today with the youngest sibling. Hello. We did some warming up here, just some light jogs, butt kicks, high knees, karaoke's, just getting the whole body loosened up. We did a whole bunch of weighted ball drills you'll see here.
You start from the ground, up, catch. As hard as you can. 3, 4, right onto your toes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo!
So do you start like this?
Doesn't matter.
Just go tippy toes.
Up, down.
Fuck.
Yeah, no, don't worry. Slam, catch. So that's the thing. You need to slam right. All of these are coordination, so don't worry. I've done these millions of times, so don't worry.
Yeah, I was like
I can't record the video would be fucking an hour.
40 minutes like those Sam Sulek videos, bro.
You can't hear us very well, you know? Going faster is not the answer. No, focus. 1. I can do that one too. Catch the ball. Target. Yeah, there we go. 3. Fuck. Get your butt to the floor. Get down there. There. 5. 6. I'll count it. 7. Get down there. 8. Get down there. 2 more. 9. Yes, last one. Good. Nice set, dog. There we go.
Saying get your butt down there really changed the whole game.
It's like, yeah.
For some reason, I thought we could chuck it way farther, but it's 20 pounds. Yeah, it's like you can't really chuck 20 pounds. Yeah. Yeah, like I thought, I'm like, oh, bro.
Ended the workout with some resistant band sprints. These were a brutal, great workout today.
All right. We just finished up. It's actually beautiful outside now.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Fucking Dunskies, bro.
How's the athletic training going for you?
Way tougher.
It's a change of pace.
Yeah.
You can see I'm freaking just drenched from it.
Yeah, we are. I definitely get that. I'm definitely sweaty as fuck. It's also pretty hot outside.
I would not say so. It's 13 degrees.
Oh yeah, maybe I'm just that. Okay, maybe you're right.
It's like I would
Just
not
feels
say.
hot outside.
Yeah, we're hot because we've been running out here.
Yeah.
Woo! Here, maybe we'll come for the thumbnail. Come over here.
The thumbnail?
Just like, maybe, we'll see.
We'll see.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jay. So I think a couple things I'm gonna change about the videos in hopes to try and get, sorry for the yawning, in hopes to try to improve the content is I'm not gonna weigh in every day. I think that is just kind of whatever to the videos. So I think what I'll start doing is weighing in somewhere between 1 to 3 times a week, because I still need to track the progress, and because I still want to be losing the weight. But I think it will be better for each piece of content if I just don't include that every single time. it'll make the weigh-ins a little bit more interesting, I think, as well, especially because we know the day-to-day fluctuation between weight is insane. As long as I don't go backwards, because if I start going backwards in weight and you know, we're above 200 again, then we'll definitely start weighing in every day again. But this is in hopes to try and grow the channel some more and make these YouTube videos a little bit more yeah, interesting, I guess, you know. So we'll see how that goes for the next little bit. We'll still weigh in you know, somewhere between 1 and 3 times a week at least, and we'll continue to eat the 1 meal a day for the full 365 days as well. That's one thing that's not going away for sure. So after the workout with Ella, I hit the sauna for about an hour, and then another cold shower. And then because my mom was sick on Mother's Day, we're doing like a makeup Mother's Day tonight, so we're having like a steak dinner, which I can't fucking wait. So I probably won't calculate the calories 100%, but you know, I'll just eat the one big ass meal with everyone, and that's what you will see next. Remember, the goal is still 175, and the goal is to get there before the full year, you know. So I want to get down to as close, you know, my goal was to get down as close to 190. You know, not to give myself some excuses, but I had a challenging month this month, so you know, I hope to get down at least to as close to 195 as possible. So if I can weigh in at 195 or 194 before the month's over, I'll be a happy motherfucker. And then if we can break 190 next month, we're doing it, you know. So yeah, we'll keep moving forward. More love, more success, y'all. Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Every time.
Oh, the mushrooms?
All right, decided to go for a little evening stroll after dinner there. Turned into 2 hours, just about. Finished here, 10K. Why not? I thought, why not, man? I was feeling so good. But while I was passing this drive-through, homie pulled up. It's like, yo, Just Jordan, when's the new music coming? Got me hype, man. Got me hype. Always hype when I run into people that love the music. That's twice in just a couple weeks I was out and ran into some motherfuckers that support the music. Anyway, so that's a good sign. I'll throw up my Strava thing. I like the Strava app to track my steps and shit. I don't track all my steps, but I do for walks and runs. And so yeah, throw up my Strava just so y'all can see. And then, hey, remember, in every video link, you can go pre-order Olympus on vinyl. Whew, only 1,000 of those ever gonna be made. It's a special album. Okay, anyways, more on that later. More love, more success, y'all.